Hello, did you know that the way you walk tells a lot about the brand you? From the moment you approach the interviewing officer, your personal brand is already in the communicating mode. The interviewing team is already forming their initial impression of you based on those non-verbal signals being sent by you. But here is the exciting part. We can influence what is being conveyed. So, join me, Ranjit Isaac, an Indian Air Force veteran, a performance augmenter, and a personal brand strategist, as we together uncover the secrets of non-verbal communication in developing brand you. In the previous episode, George shared his remarkable success in securing an impressive job offer, despite having an average CGPA. The key to his success was his understanding of the power of personal branding. As George was speaking about branding, you remember Suresh? His friend interjected and said, "You talk of brand? I saw a YouTube video in which a gray-haired guy was comparing us young engineers to a soap on a supermarket shelf. Is it not ridiculous? We are not a product that can be produced in a factory and packaged to be put on a shelf in such a way to attract a buyer." George said, No, my friend, you got it wrong. You missed the point. You may not be a physical product, but we are all like products in the sense we can package ourselves to attract employers. Think of our engineering college as a factory that produces engineers. While the college ensures that all graduates meet that basic requirement, some individuals go that extra mile. They acquire additional skills and develop a unique packaging that makes them stand out from the rest. It's like the difference between a Maruti and a BMW, even though they both are cars, isn't it? Now, friends, do you realize that your personal brand is that non-verbal signal you send out, creating a brand presence? It speaks volume even before you have uttered a word. Your body language, your facial expressions, your eye contact, your posture, your hand gestures, even the way you walk are all communicating something. The packaging you consciously acquire or develop during your engineering course enhances your perceived value, and that becomes your brand. Suresh piped in again and said, "But how can you project this branding during that brief interaction we have with this interviewing team?" George said, "Remember, your brand is that non-verbal signal you send out. It is what people feel and say when they interact with those signals, even in your absence. Your entire self is involved in it, not just your CGPA. Do you realize that branding can break whatever advantage your CGPA has got you?" "So you mean to say," said Suresh, "body language is a crucial component for personal branding?" "That's right," said George. Friends, but before we dwell deeper into these aspects, let's conduct an exercise. Let's focus on the way we walk. It reveals a lot about us. Record yourself walking in different situations, such as entering an interview room or a classroom while the lecture is already in progress. Then review the footage, paying attention to specific points. Note your head position, your facial expressions, your eye contact, your shoulder posture, your hand movement, your feet angle, your step size, and your walking speed. Make a note of it. And in the next episode, we'll dwell deeper into each of these aspects and see how we can use them to our advantage. By understanding non-verbal communications, you can work to enhance your brand. In the meantime, observe and discover yourself as we work together to develop brand you and help you deliver performance beyond expectation. And Jai Hind.